I'm here with Mary Kartz today because Mary has invented a clever way to suck up cushions for upholstery, for inserting into cushion covers. Mary, why don't you tell us what your invention is?
Well, we're gonna call it the Holey Suckin' Stuff, and I'll show you how we made it. First, you're gonna need a crevice device that fits your particular vacuum. Some are like 1 1/4, some are 2-inch. So you just gotta find the one that's gonna fit your particular vacuum. And it might be nice to mark hole. We're gonna drill holes in this, but we only wanna go through one side, not all the way through. So you can mark the holes about 3/4 of an inch apart in 2 rows. On a smaller one, you might have to go closer together. And we're using a 3/16 drill bit. And again, you're just gonna drill through the top part. So I found that if you start drilling, once it goes through, pull back out, because that will pull out the little plastic that's left behind. So you're gonna go down the whole device, drilling out these holes. If you have access to a drill press, that would probably work easier, but this works just as good. And if you would accidentally go through to the other side, you could always just put a piece of duct tape on there, and that would, because you just don't want the suction coming through both sides. So just continue along, drilling your holes. And you don't want to go too close to the end, but stay maybe about a 1/2 inch. And you can take a file if you want and scrape these little plastic things off, but just brushing them off should work. And now you're going to take a piece of duct tape and you want to cover over the original crevice tool end. And you just want to make sure that that gets sealed off all the way. I'm going to grab the scissors over here. You can just snip it, and it doesn't have to look pretty, just so that it covers over that hole. And pretty much I think any kind of a duct tape would work. Okay. There you have the tool, and you, like I said, can do it to any size that'll fit your vacuum.
Okay, so once again, you need a 3/16 inch drill bit, a drill, a crevice tool that matches the diameter of your vacuum hose, and duct tape.
See the next video to see how to use it.